everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to a fun new summer feelings series, I guess you could say. Today we are going to be kind of starting it all off with showing you how to create the base for the next video that's going to be in this series, which is some fun kind of pool water that to me is very summery and it just makes me think of summer. So I'm started off with a light blue base. Today I'm using Heroine NYC's Pika Blue, which is one of my favorites. Just going to do one coat of that because it's pretty full coverage, and then I'm going to move on to the next part, which is where I'm going to start mixing blues. So here I've decided to go with two different shades. I'm going with the blue that you guys just saw me apply, plus then a bit more of an aquamarine shade, also from Heroine NYC, and it is called Son of a Beach. And this is like a very sporadic placement on a sponge, and I'm reusing a sponge that I've already used just to utilize the whole thing. And I'm just gonna dot it kind of all over my nail, rotate it as I go. I don't want any colors too bold, but I want the colors that we are using to mix on the nail to give the depth of the pool water, and it'll also help create the ripply like look as we move on further in this manicure. So you're just going to repeat this until you're happy and you have reached full coverage in whatever polishes you are using. And remember, this does not have to look cohesive on each nail by any means. You just want that kind of sporadic placement of the colors. That's really what's going to set this manicure off and make it work. Then, of course, you want to clean up after that. But if you can use a liquid latex, you could put that around your nails to prevent any cleanup. But with an allergy of that, I always just stay away. But now my nails are all clean and we're ready to move on to the next step. Which, for the next step, you are going to need some water, some white acrylic paint, and then something to mix the white acrylic paint and the water on, which I am using the lid that I use for my little water dish here. And I'm using a kind of medium-sized brush to kind of mix the water and the white paint here. We just really want to make it a bit more translucent, very more fluid. So we're not going to have any major stark white whenever we're using it, but we want it to kind of have a watery or watercolor like effect, which is what we're doing by watering it down. So next up, I'm just going to take little blobs of the watered down white and I'm going to put it here and there on my nails, and I'm going to kind of let it be a bigger blob, but then I'm going to tap it with my nail to kind of take off the excess, and it's going to leave a nice little kind of water-like shape, which I'm sure if you've been here for any amount of time, you've seen me do this in numerous other videos, but it really helps with this whole kind of water-like look. It gives a kind of a milky-like finish, and it just really helps create the water effect, in my opinion. Then after that part is done, we're going to go in with a like a short detailer brush or any sort of lining brush. I'm using the Orally short detailer brush, but any sort of striping or some small fine nail art brush will work for this. And I'm going to go in with the same watered down white, and I am just going to put in some ripply like lines every I don't know, they're just kind of all over the place, so you just put them wherever you want. There's no method to this madness, but you kind of just go with the flow, literally the flow of the water. And after you put so many on, and once you feel like it looks like water, you are complete. Now at first you might be like, this just kind of looks like a mess. Yeah, it does kind of look like a mess at first. However, long as you put on a shiny top coat, or really even a matte top coat, it kind of blends it all together, and it does give it a bit more of a watery feel and makes you think of pool water and just summer in general. So really rather easy. It doesn't take many tools and it's really fun. So here is the final look at the pool water nail art. Tomorrow we're going to be building upon this design with another kind of fun summery feel to it, and I'm super excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, I'll see you back tomorrow for part 2 of this video. Bye!